Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty on location at my newest listing here at 301 Frostberry Court here in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. This beautifully updated home has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, updated fixtures, roof has been recently updated, windows have also been updated, open floor plan, kitchen has lots of cabinet space, tile backsplash, master suite has a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with double sinks, separate shower, and a garden tub. You also have access directly from the master bedroom onto the large deck outside. Fenced backyard, it is on a corner lot with side entry garage and a circle driveway. There's a huge patio out back as well. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this beautiful home. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.